Hello everyone. Are you tired of the never-ending struggle to keep your personal finances organized? Well, we have great news for you. Allow us to introduce the Ultimate Personal Budget, a beautiful dashboard that has been created using Microsoft Excel without VBA code. This revolutionary digital product has been designed to make managing your personal finances an easy and stress-free experience. With the Ultimate Personal Budget, you don't have to settle for a boring financial tool. It comes in 3 stylish colors, allowing you to choose the one that best fits your personal style. Let's take a closer look at what this amazing tool has to offer. The income tracker is one of the key features of the Ultimate Personal Budget. It allows you to easily keep track of your income and see how much money you have coming in each month. This information is essential for setting a budget and planning your expenses accordingly. The Expenses Planner helps you plan out your expenses for the month and avoid overspending. It enables you to categorize your expenses, such as groceries, dining out and more, and allocate a specific budget for each category. The Expense Tracker allows you to keep track of every transaction you make and see exactly where your money is going. And there is a section that shows you how much money you have left to spend and how much you have already spent so far. This feature helps you identify areas where you can cut back on spending and save money. The Bills Tracker ensures that you never miss a bill payment again. It keeps track of your bills and their due dates, such as water, gas, phone bill, and more. Subscription Tracker helps you keep track of all your subscriptions and their renewal dates, so you'll never be caught off guard by an unwanted charge. This feature is particularly helpful for those who have multiple subscriptions. The Sinking Funds feature allows you to save up for large expenses over time, like a new car or a vacation. It enables you to set aside a portion of your income each month to reach your savings goal. The Saving Tracker allows you to set savings goals and track your progress towards them. It helps you stay motivated and focused on your savings goals, and provides a sense of accomplishment when you reach them. In addition to these features, the Ultimate Personal Budget includes a built-in calendar to help you keep track of important dates and deadlines like virtual conference calls or dental appointment. The Notes section is a great way to jot down any important information or ideas like don't overcook the lasagna as it will become mushy, or track your progress and set realistic goals to stay motivated. The Monthly Overview provides you with a detailed breakdown of your income, expenses, and savings for the month, giving you a clear understanding of where your money is going. By monitoring your expenses and savings, you can make informed decisions about where to cut back and where to invest more. Annual Overview, on the other hand, gives you a bigger picture of your finances over the course of the year. You can see how your income, expenses, and savings have changed from month to month, allowing you to identify trends and patterns in your spending habits. This information can be used to create a more accurate budget for the next year, set new savings goals, or adjust your investment strategy. All of these incredible features and more are included in the Ultimate Personal Budget, making it the ultimate tool for taking control of your personal finances. Order now and take the first step towards a brighter financial future.